A. You sing.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Know my ABCs, but I don't think I was you.
Good job. Now tell Mommy, how do you sing? How do you spell red?
E-D,
What is it? Take your fingers away.
R-E-D, red.
R-E-D, red? That's right. And can you sing all right?
Laugh.
Sing it. I got... Do you know all right?
Yeah.
Okay, sing it.
Ava.
Uh-huh. How's it go?
All right.
I got...
Roof over my head.
Okay. I got a roof
Over your head.
over my head.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. The woman I love laying in my bed.
And it's all right.
All right. I got...
Shoes under my feet.
Forever in the eye staring back at me, and it's
All right.
all right.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Who's on your shirt? Who's that on your shirt?
Let me see it.
Who's this?
No, Tinkerbell.
Tinkerbell?
Let me see it.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I love you.
I love you.
I love you so much.
I love you so much. Let me see.